I just keep sleeping in the lectures in medical school. I don't know how to attend a lecture. It is so boring. Why do we need to go to college even, right? So if you are getting such thoughts, then this video is for you. You need to improve it. You need to improve your studying style. So welcome to Need to Doctor. This is Shruti Ahuja, second year MBBS student at GMCH Chandigarh. So I will today cover a very underrated but very important topic, that is how to attend a lecture in college, medical college or a medical school. So for that you need to understand three phases, that is the pre-preparation, in the lecture and post preparation. For that we will start with pre-preparation. In pre-preparation, I know what is the topic to be covered tomorrow. If not, then you at least know what is the next chapter or what is the chapter which is going to be started in the college. And then you just have a quick overview of that topic. Like for example, in general anatomy, I will study about bones, their types, and everything about that tomorrow in the class. So how will I approach in a pre-preparation? What will I do one day before the lecture or on that morning of that lecture? For that, you need to follow three stages, that is basic, intermediate, and advanced. In basic preparation, which is like I don't have much time and I don't want to spend my head on that topic, right? Then I need very just overview, right? Very short one. Then I need to follow the basic. In intermediate, I think the topic is important, like somewhat important. Then I need to focus more. Now in advanced preparation, it is very important topic. There is a sure short question always, and I personally have much interest in it. Then that is the advanced one. Now in basic one, you need to just have open your book, just see the chapter outline, the MCQ questions what are there, and and read all the headings and the bold content. Do remember all the things which I just said right now. Now you just read these things and go to the lecture tomorrow. Next part will be covered later. Now we come to intermediate. In intermediate, you can also read the book. Like earlier I took a outline, right? An overview. Now I will read what are the contents also. I will read the text fully before the lecture so that I have a better idea what is going to cover tomorrow, right? Next comes advanced level. In advanced level, you may watch a video or you may refer to second book, or the best thing comes a lecture, like a resource like Marrow Prep Ladder, PW Method, eGurukul, etc. It could be anything, right? Or it could be even YouTube. You just watch a video because teaching, learning from some other teacher beforehand helps you a lot. Next comes your in the lecture phase. Now, when you attend the lecture, you need to understand, you just need to listen, you need to make notes, or you just need to click the photographs. So it depends, because if your teacher is like she is rushing through the slides, you can't write notes as such. You can just make an outline, but clicking photos is very beneficial because that way it will be an asset for you to revise again and again after the class and make notes related to that also. Now you need to understand that writing notes is also a very good thing because in the lecture, because that will help you not sleep during the classes and keep your brain active. Now in post preparation phase, you must compile your class and your pre-preparation notes, and you may also see a video lecture or an like any platforms lecture afterwards if you haven't seen beforehand, and then compile all the notes. Now in that notes will serve the best material, the best content which is suited for you and which you have actually understood, right? Next comes the revision part. After doing all these stages, you must not forget to revise the topics, because many people fail just in one thing. For example, in NEET exam preparation times also, many people fail just in revision part. You must have also incurred the same problem at that time. But here also, you may not have that much time with you, right? But you still need to adjust yourself and revise a little, like just a little, so that you keep track of the previous syllabus also. This habit will help you while attempting the final paper as well. I think all the phases are very clear to you. And if you want to watch such more videos and get more guidance, then do save this video in your library and share it with your friends, because sharing is caring.